to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at the Cotswold Synidex Fire Escape and Easy Clean stays. The Cotswold Fire Escape and Easy Clean hinges are handed left and right. The indicators are these pointers here and here, which enter the receiver there and there. This is the hinge in the fire escape position, opened to almost 90 degrees. And this is the hinge when it's altered into the Easy Clean position by moving the whole of the opener forward. We're now going to show the functionality of this window stay. The window opens into the fire escape position firstly. If we wish to change this to the Easy Clean position, we have to allow for this purple piece of material to travel and sit into this locator here by closing the window firstly and then sliding the slider along until it clicks. Having performed the same task at the top of the window, we can now reposition it into the Easy Clean position. So having had the window in the Easy Clean position, to return it to its normal position, you close the window fully, reopen the window, which allows the purple slider to travel along. It will click, and now it's back into the fire escape position prior to you finally closing the window to lock up. Well, I hope that explains the operation of the Cotswold Synidex Fire Escape and Easy Clean hinges. Thank you. The stack height represents the overall thickness of the stay, either 13mm or 17mm. Whilst the stays are on the window, there is a great deal of difficulty in identifying between 17mm stack and 13mm stack height, as is here. Here are three hinges from different manufacturers, none of which have any single identifying feature to tell you that they are 17mm. The best way to measure the stays is, once you've removed them from the window, to lay them down on a flat surface and to measure from the face here to the back of the plate, which will determine the height. This one is 13mm. This one is 17mm. If, however, you're unsure about the stack heights, the best get out of jail card we offer is we suggest you purchase the 13mm stack hinge along with a 4mm packer, which you can attach to the side of the hinge to give you 17mm in height.